Squadron based at Williamtown and 79 Squadron based at Pierce over in Western Australia. So this is an incredible aircraft to learn flying, particularly for those pilots that go on to fly the F-35 right into and the FA-18 Super Hornet plus the EA-18G ground.
Exactly, but these 78 operates the two squadrons on opposite sides of the country. Keeping up those political relations. Now, this aircraft is very, very highly capable. It was originally designed as the lead-in fighter trainer for the classic Hornet, and the cockpit has been roughly set up to approximate that of the Hornet. This makes it far easier to do the transition. Their conversion at 79 Squadron Pierce, Western Australia. After the introductory fighter integrated navigation attack system, and it features two displays that coordinate the processing screen. Next one's fitted with a head-up display in the front cockpit, three multi-function displays in each cockpit represent the full range of performance. Coming back in now. Pilots once they finish their flying on the PC-21 at either one flying training school or number two flying training school will complete a 14-week introductory fighter course at both base Pierce or Williamtown at Newcastle with the Hawk, and that includes general flying, instrument flying, formation flying, night flying and navigation. They then graduate recruits to a 20-week course at RAAF Richmond head-to-head air-to-ground weapons training. So it's quite an important course. And each cockpit very friendly flying. It's nice for them, huh? Aircraft mission performance, check line, full flight information, monitored to aid aircraft similar configuration to the Hawk T2 that is operated by the RAAF, and you might have seen them being flown by their red arrows in back. Powered by 6,000-pound Rolls-Royce turbofan engine, 660 nautical miles. Movable aircraft, which, as we said before, is perfect for training for our fast pilots in the Air Force. And it's good that you've got two levels of that performance. You transfer over from the PC-21, then you go to Hawk over Western Australia, then back over here to finish your